Alright, so after installing Windows 11 or, getting a new laptop, you've probably noticed that resume or cross-device resume service just hogging up memory. Most users, honestly, don't even need it. It's mainly for syncing work between your PC and your mobile, so I, for one, prefer to disable it. Now, Microsoft hasn't made that exactly straightforward, so just follow these steps. I've tested this myself, and my resume service has been disabled for months now without any issues, so you truly don't need to worry. Just search for cross-device on Windows and uncheck every single option that appears. Oh, and I'd like to give credit to the Reddit users who actually suggested the fix. Go ahead and download this tool, then just follow along. The link and scan results will be provided below. Now, once you have downloaded, just extract the file and type CMD on the address bar. Then, press Enter. Now, we're going to type some commands from Reddit. Don't worry, I tested and scanned them personally. They're safe and easy to revert. Some people may face this issue. If you get this error, then just search CMD in Windows Search and run it as an admin. Now, copy the folder address of the Vive tool and paste it in CMD and then, press Enter. Just don't forget to type CD, then space, and paste it. Now we can copy and paste commands from Reddit, just as we did before. These commands will be in the description, so you can just copy and paste them from there. Now, after successfully running these commands, Resume and its related services will be stopped from running. If you want to revert the change, just replace Disable to Enable from the given commands in the description and run it. It's simple as that. If still Resume service is not stopped, you can try this step. Just open this GitHub repository and copy the address and paste it in PowerShell. Just follow along, you'll understand. All you gotta do is uncheck this cross-device resume option. And, well, then close the program. Now, you're all done. Just restart the PC, and you won't see any unnecessary resume service taking up RAM in the background. Yes, in this RAM crisis, every MB counts. So, do leave a like if this video helped, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and do check out our freelancer site from the description. Have a good day.